So something very interesting happened a few days ago. Somebody just called me up and apparently saw my number online, and he said, "Gerald, please, I need somebody to work on an app for me, right?" And what I did immediately is that I told him that I do app development. Mind you guys, I have never built an app in my life before. I don't even know how it's done, right? I told him that I can actually do this thing, and this is a transfer he made to me right here. So he made a transfer of 2,277,000 naira instantly, right? I actually gave him a bill of about 5 million naira to build this app. An interesting thing is that I have never built an app before in my life, right? So what did I do? Now this brings us to the topic called drop servicing. One of my previous videos, I asked you guys if you are interested in me making a video about drop servicing, and a lot of you guys responded in the affirmative. So this is the video right here, right now. I'm going to be explaining to you guys exactly how this works, right? And how you can actually make money with drop servicing. This means that you have no skill and you can actually make money without no skill. So what is drop servicing really? Before I get into explaining what drop servicing is, I want to let you know that with drop servicing, you can tap into a virtually endless array of services, from web design and copywriting to social media marketing and video editing. The possibilities are vast. And the best part is, you are not limited by your own skill set. Instead, you get to leverage the expertise of talented professionals who are eager to help you succeed. You might be wondering, how does this work? Let me break it down for you. Now, imagine if you have a client who wants to build a website and you don't have any knowledge of website design at all. What would you do? A lot of you guys would actually say, I don't know how to do this thing. Or, okay, I have a friend. Let me give you my friend's number who will actually build this website for you. No. Do not do that. Smart people don't do that. And that's exactly what I didn't do. A lot of persons will be tempted to go and sit down and start learning how to code, how to build websites, and how to do all of that. Again, do not do that. So what exactly are you supposed to do? Drop servicing. That is what you should do. So how does this work? You can basically go to the website I'm going to be showing you guys right now. Get somebody to actually build this website for, let's say, like $200 or $300. And you can charge this client, depending on how buoyant the client is, you can charge this client as high as $2,000. Imagine if you charge $2,000 and you give some other person that actually knows how to do this thing $300, $500, you'll be going home with at least $1,500. That means that you have made $1,500 free money. And that's exactly what I did. I'm not going to be telling you exactly how much I'm going to be paying the guy who is actually working on the app, right? But what you need to know is that I actually made a lot of money from that particular transaction. Now, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald. I'm making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and actually show you what I've done, hoping that you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same results. Before we jump right into this drop servicing tutorial, I want to encourage you to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. Before I usually get into that, now let's talk about the difficult part of drop servicing. How do you get the client? For me, it's easy because I'm popular, so people reach out to me to ask a lot of questions, and most times I correct those people and actually, drop service them, But for you right now, there's a whole lot of things that you can do. Number one, you can actually leverage social media. Create content around web design. Even if you don't know how to build websites, create content around UI UX. Create content around SEO and stuff like that, right? You can drop service all of these services. And I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to do that. Another thing you can do is to run ads and target specific individuals. I'm not going to be dwelling on that, but let me show you guys exactly how to drop service. One of the first things I did when this guy contacted me about building an app for him was to come to this particular website on my screen right now. Now, Fiverr.com is one of my best websites. This is the first place I made reasonable money online, and I still use this website so many years later. So what I did was to come here and come to programming and tech, and you see people that do mobile apps, right? And I came here and I found somebody to actually do this mobile app for me. So you see this guy, full app creation. Click on full app creation. This guy will do this with a full Flutter developer, build Android, iOS, Flutter app for $135. And mind you guys, I charged almost 5 million naira to actually do this job. So this guy will do the same thing for $240, $300, $1,200, so it doesn't matter how high you want to go. There's a whole lot of profits that's being made from this particular stuff, right? So it doesn't matter what you actually want to do. I'm going to be showing you another way to find clients in a little while. So it doesn't matter what you actually want to do. There's somebody who is here to offer that service a lot cheaper than what you actually get from your clients. So there's a whole lot of things that you can do right here. Photography, programming, Python developers, website development, website maintenance, landing pages, WordPress, Shopify, support IT. So you can actually position yourself as an expert in these fields, right? And once you get the job, you can come to Fiverr and outsource to some other person to do the job for you, right? That's the first way to actually do drop servicing. Now, the second way to do drop servicing is simple. Let me show you guys that. So if you come to this website called SEOclerk.com, I've actually made videos about this website previously. If you come here right now, this guy says latest and manually done backlink package to improve SEO ranking, $55. Now, if you come down here, you're going to be seeing that this guy ranked on first page of Google for $19. Now, let me take this right now. I take this right now. I go over to Fiverr.com and put this right here in the search box and hit enter. I'm going to be seeing that this guy is selling the same thing for $60. This guy is selling the exact same thing for $150. Now, if you keep coming down, go see this guy is selling the exact same thing for $800, the exact same thing for $1,000. So if you're actually smart, you understand exactly where I'm going right now. So what I would do if I were you and I'm looking to make my first $100 online drop servicing, what I'm going to do is to copy this particular gig right here, right? Copy this particular gig. I click on it, open it up. Then I come on Fiverr.com and recreate the exact same gig and start selling it on Fiverr.com. Now, what's going to happen is that when people come on Fiverr and order my gig, I will come and order this same person on SEO Clerk to do the job. So he does the job, he sends it to me, and I will send it to my client on Fiverr, and it's a win-win for everybody. Imagine if I'm getting $800 right here, or $1,000, right, to actually do this job, right? And I'm paying this particular person that's actually doing it his $19. At the end of the day, I have $981 to actually go home with. That is easy money, right? That is why I love drop servicing a lot. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to be making a lot more videos on drop servicing. If you want to see a lot more videos on drop servicing, we're actually going into details, showing you how to actually recreate a gig from SEO Clerk and put it on Fiverr and begin to promote it. Let me know in the comment section and I will not hesitate to actually make that video for you guys. What I need to do right now is to go to the comment section and ask any question that you may have, or simply go and say, Gerald, thank you for this drop servicing tutorial. I would appreciate that, guys. So this video showing up right here is going to show you guys exactly how to set up an account on Fiverr.com. While this video showing down here will show you exactly how to create a gig on Fiverr.com, guys. So until I see you in my next video, keep winning. And don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.